Hey guys, welcome back to Upto Brain. Today we are going to talk about Rarible, the Rari coin. So let's start the video with the first question. What is Rarible? Rarible is a creator-centric NFT marketplace and issuance platform that utilizes the Rari token to empower users who actively interact with the protocol. Users on the Rarible platform can easily create non-fungible tokens for unique digital items like artwork, game items, and more. The platform offers users a fully featured marketplace that is filtered and sorted using different categories to create a smooth and easy user experience. Anyone can create and post NFTs on the Rarible marketplace. The Rari token is a fundamental pillar of the platform as it is used to reward active users and for participating in the governance of the protocol. So now let's talk about who are the founders of Rarible. The Rarible team is based in Moscow and was co-founded by Alexey Falin and Alexander Salinkov in early 2020. Alexey Falin is Rarible's CEO and also the co-founder of Stickers Place, a computer software company that specializes in stickers. Falin graduated from the University of Southern California and the Higher School of Economics in Moscow. Alexander Salinkov was the co-founder of Zenomi and the ICO director of Humanic, a blockchain-based project that provides tools to unbanked. Salinkov has founded more than 5 successful companies in the past and has extensive experience as a product manager. He now works as Rarible's head of product. According to the official Rarible LinkedIn page, the entire Rarible team consists of almost a dozen employees, many of whom are artists. So now let's talk about the price prediction of Rari token. You can see the price prediction on your screen. First comes the year 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2026. So guys, what are your thoughts about Rari token? Do let us know in the comment section, and for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel Upto Brain.